We, the creators of the original Bobby Anti-Theft Backpack, proudly present two new members of the Bobby family. The Bobby Pro and the Bobby Tech. The original Bobby backpack was the most successful backpack on Kickstarter in 2016, with 15,000 backers in just 4 weeks. We received great reviews from our backers. Having listened to our fans and hearing their needs, we decided to create 2 more premium versions of the Bobby with new features and the latest technology. The result? 2 backpacks that meet your everyday needs for travel, adventure, commuting, and work. The Bobby Pro and the Bobby Tech. Equipped with many new innovative features such as internal dividers, C-type USB port, Fidlock System, integrated solar panel, and wireless charging technology. And of course, made from sustainable materials with anti-theft cut-proof PP boards, hidden zippers, hidden pockets, and our iconic design. Let's first look at the features both models have in common. Both backpacks have similar interiors: a laptop and tablet compartment, pen holders, and mesh pockets for small items. The middle layer can be opened up and tucked away to create more room and overview. The large compartment can be used as a single space, perfect for weekend getaways. This space can also be organized with padded dividers to secure cameras, lenses, drones, and other items. Next to the general USB port, both bags have USB-C connectors, preparing you for the new market standard. What makes the Bobby Tech different from the Bobby Pro is that the front is geared with an integrated solar panel to charge your devices on the go. The Bobby Tech also has a wireless charging option. This pad, that you can also use in your house, charges your phone from the solar panel wirelessly inside this pocket. On the Bobby Pro, this pocket holds an extendable keychain that automatically retracts. The back panel holds a padded pocket for your tablet or e-reader. On the lower back, an RFID safe pocket for important items like your passport or wallet. This cool new Fidlock on the left strap enables you to hang a phone, mug, or bottle onto the strap. This way, you always have those items within reach and your hands free. Both holders are included. On the right strap, we added a hidden RFID pocket for your cards to prevent you from getting skimmed. Both bags have a strap on the back of the bag to easily and safely mount the bag onto your rolling luggage. We are proud to introduce both bags to the fans of the original Bobby Anti-Theft Backpack. Meet XD Design's Bobby Pro and Bobby Tech, the safest, sustainable travel backpacks.